these continuous rejections and this anger against the flock of your fold. Remember your community that you acquired of old and rescued to be your tribe and your inheritance of Mount Zion, where you made your dwelling. Direct your steps to these ruins beyond remedy. The enemy has devastated everything in the sanctuary. Your adversaries roared in the midst of your assembly. At the entrance they placed their foreign flag. They tore everything down with the axe like woodcutters in the forest. With malice and axes they have destroyed all the sculptures at once. They set fire to your sanctuary and profaned the dwelling place of your name. They said in their heart, let us finish them once and for all. And in the land they burned all the sanctuaries. We no longer see signs of you, there is no prophet left. And no one among us knows for how long. How long, oh God, will the enemy insult you and the adversary continue to outrage your name? Why do you withdraw your hand, your right hand, and keep it hidden in your chest? But you, God, are my King from the beginning, the author of the salvation of the earth. You divided the sea by your power and crushed the heads of the sea monsters. You crushed the heads of the Leviathan and gave it as food to the beasts of the desert. You made springs and torrents gush forth. You dried up inexhaustible rivers. Yours is the day and yours is the night. You established the moon and the sun. You fixed all the boundaries of the earth and you formed summer and winter. Remember this, the enemy has insulted you, oh God. A foolish people has despised your name. Do not deliver to the beast the soul that gives you thanks. Do not forget forever the lives of your poor. Look at how they have kept your covenant. In the corners of the land there are places of resistance. Let the oppressed not return in shame. Let the poor and the humble praise your name. Arise, O God, and defend your cause. Remember the insults that the fool throws at you every day. Do not forget the cry of your adversary.